Hello everyone, welcome back to SD LearnX BNS 2023 video series. In the previous video, we discussed sections 100 to 105 of BNS 2023 dealing with culpable homicide and murder. In this video, we will cover sections of 106 to 110 which deals with death by negligence, abetment of suicide, attempt to murder and attempt to commit culpable homicides. These provisions are extremely important for judicial exams, police exams, and conceptual clarity in criminal law. Section 106 Causing death by negligence. Section 106 deals with causing death by a rash or negligent act, which does not amount to culpable homicide. There is no intention or knowledge of likely death over here. Liability arises purely due to negligence. Example: if a person drives at a very high speed in a crowded market, hits a pedestrian and cause death, the offence falls under section 106. Medical negligence. If death is caused by a registered medical practitioner during a medical procedure, the maximum punishment in such cases is 2 years imprisonment and fine. Hit and run. If death is caused by rash and negligent driving and the driver escapes without reporting the incident, punishment may extend to up to 10 years with fine. And this section was previously covered under 304A IPC. Now let us look at 107 Abetment of Suicide. This section applies where a child, a person of unsound mind, or a delirious person, or an intoxicated person commits suicide and another person abets such suicide. Example: continuous harassment of a mentally ill person leading to suicide attracts section 107. Punishment may extend to death, life imprisonment, or imprisonment up to 10 years with fine. Abetment of suicide. This section 108 applies where any person commits suicide and another person abets the commission of such suicide. Abatement includes instigation, conspiracy, or intentional aid. Example: mental cruelty or threats leading to suicide may attract this provision. The punishment for this may extend to 10 years with fine. Section 109 deals with attempt to murder. If a person and does an act with the intention or knowledge that if the death were caused it would amount to murder, the act is punishable as attempt to murder. Example: firing a gun with the intention to kill but the victim survives. In this, as per section 109, the punishment may extend to life imprisonment if offender is a life convict and hurt is caused. Punishment may extend to death. So the punishment in this section 109, imprisonment up to 10 years or life imprisonment there is a knowledge and intention to commit a murder, but however the victim is survived. If the same thing is done by the life convict, so the punishment may be even more, that is death of life convict causes to hurt. So this section was previously covered under 307 IPC. At, Now we will look at section 110, attempt to commit culpable homicide. This section applies where intention or knowledge exists but the act does not amount to murder. Example: on grave and sudden provocation, an act likely to cause death is committed but death does not occur. In this case, punishment may extend up to 3 years or up to 7 years if hurt is caused. To conclude, this sections 102 to 110 deals with negligence, suicide, and attempts. These provisions are crucial for understanding criminal liability. In the next video, we will cover organized crime and terrorist acts under the BNS. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.